This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Selena Hicks. Lovely 3-bedroom, 2-bath JASMINE Floorplan home is ideally located in the highly desirable village of Caroline. This is the perfect location to enjoy all that Lake Sumter Landing has to offer. New roof and water heater, updated with laminate flooring and enclosed Florida room set this apart from the rest. Split floor plan is ideal for guests. Cement patio ofFlorida room for those perfect winter mornings or year-round grilling. Easy care landscaping with mature palm in the front and privacy hedge in the back. 2 pools close by to enjoy, not to mention all of the amazing amenities of the villages. There is nevera dull moment from nightly live entertainment, shopping, casual and fine dining and events galore. This home has been lovingly cared for and is ready for its new owner. For more information, review the details below.